Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be creating this very smoky and sultry grey halo eye paired with a soft nude lip for you guys. So if you wanna know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm prepping my skin by spraying some Pack Instant Prep and Prime. To deal with the dry patches around my nose, I'm using the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer, and for the rest of my face, I'm using the Milani Prime Perfection. To fill in the pores of my forehead and my nosy, I'm using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. And for the pores under my eyes, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. To cancel out the blue undertones of the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using an orange color corrector by Miss Claire. In case you are interested in a detailed description on color correction, I'll be linking the video for it in the I button. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation stick in the shade 4. I love how sheer and long lasting this foundation is. Though it's a little drying, but it should work absolutely fine if you prep your skin thoroughly. And to blend it, I'm using my damp beauty blender. To brighten my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, I'll be using this duo stick by Wet n Wild to bring forward those features, and to blend it I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. I'm also using this to clean up underneath my brows, and I'm setting it with new Masterfix setting loose powder. Now I'm not setting my entire face with a loose powder. I'm only setting in the areas where my concealer creases the most. To bring in some dimension and structure to my face, I'm using the NY contour stick in the shade Raising Toast in the usual areas like the hollows of my cheekbones, circumference of my forehead, to chisel my jawline and to the sides of my nose. To blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To bring some color to my cheeks, I'm using this corally peach shade from Sephora Color Festival Blockbuster palette with my angled brush. And to pick up any excess product, I'm dabbing it with a beauty blender to tone down the blush a little. And for highlighter, I am using these two shades from Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my fingers onto my high points. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse area with this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and to make the color look more natural, I'm using a spoolie to spread the color across. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'll be using a sticky tape. To warm up my crease area, I am using this nude brown eyeshadow rustic from Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. To further give some definition to my crease, I am using the same brown eyeshadow rustic from Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my pack brush in the style 126, and to blend it I am using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To bring some depth to my outer corners and my inner corners, I'm starting by depositing this cool toned brown shade by Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm dragging it to my crease area, then to my inner corners. To blend it, I'm using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To further deepen my outer corners and my inner corners, I'm using the charcoal shade first in the outer corners, and then I'm dragging it to my crease and then to my inner corner with my pack brush in the style 126. To further blend these shades, I'm using the smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. And for the middle of my lid, I'm using this grey shade from Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my flat short shader brush. And to blend in the sides of this grey shade with the charcoal shade, I'm using this deeper grey shade with my flat short shader brush so that there are no harsh edges. And to make the middle of my lid pop out even more, I'm topping it up with this shimmery taupe shade by Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette with my flat short shader brush. And to brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm again using this shimmery taupe shade from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. For my lower lash line, I'm using this nude brown eyeshadow by Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette with my pack brush in the style 126. Post that, I'm smudging this charcoal shade from Soft Glam Palette by ABH Cosmetics into my lower lash line with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. And to fill in my waterline and to tightline my upper lash line, I'm using my Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For lipstick, I'm keeping it very soft and nude, so I'm using the shade Tease by Faces Canada. And to set and seal everything in place, I'll be using a setting spray. This one's Pack Prep and Prime. And for falsies, I'm using the Ardell Natural Lashes in the style 102. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a black top and a silver choker. I'm skipping on the earrings to make it look more wearable, but of course you can pair it with anything you like. I love how smoky, sultry and dramatic this look is. I know I've been doing a lot of full glam dramatic looks lately. Let me know if you want some nude soft looks, or do you want me to continue with these dramatic looks in the comment section. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.